Welcome. You've just landed on Smashing Goals, the hot spot for all things finance. Now don't mistake this for financial advice. This is a platform for you to learn, to grow, and to take control of your own financial journey. So, if you find value in our content, do us a favor and hit that like button, subscribe, and share the knowledge with your friends and family. Today, we're diving into the world of credit scores, the unsung hero of financial freedom. You see, your credit score is more than just a number. It's like a financial report card, an all-seeing eye that lenders, landlords, and even some employers use to gauge your credit worthiness. So what makes up this all-important score? It's a blend of several factors. The most significant one, making up 35% of your score, is your payment history. Are you paying your bills on time? The next big chunk, at 30%, is the amount you owe in relation to your total available credit, also known as your credit utilization. Then we have the length of your credit history, making up 15%. This one's simple. The longer your history, the better your score. The final 20% is split evenly between new credit inquiries and the types of credit you use. Now, why should you care about all this? Well, a good credit score is your ticket to financial freedom. It can open doors to lower interest rates on loans and credit cards, better insurance rates, and even make it easier for you to rent a home or get a job. But what if your score is less than stellar? Don't fret. There are professional credit repair services that can help you dispute errors and negotiate with lenders. You can also consider using a balance transfer credit card to lower your interest rates and pay off your bills quicker. Let's recap. Your credit score is a blend of your payment history, credit utilization, credit history length, new credit, and the types of credit used. It's a crucial part of your financial journey, impacting everything from loan interest rates to job opportunities. And remember, there are resources available to help you improve your score. So that's the lowdown on credit scores. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding your credit score is the first step towards financial freedom. Keep smashing those goals, and we'll see you in the next video.